Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. And how have you all been funding your organization? Because I'm sure that's on top of everybody's mind. Do you get government grants? How are you funding your organization?
So we've gotten multiple grants. So we opened the Reentry Center in 2016. The coalition was founded in 2012 as Advocacy Community Coalition, but we decided in 2014 we need to actually deliver services,
Uh-huh.
hands-on connections with formerly incarcerated people. So in 2016, we opened the Reentry Center. We have funded with the Lord blessed us just before we opened with an ex-offenders grant, federal
Wow.
grant that came through our WorkSource Coastal organization, workforce
Hmm.
innovation grant.
Hmm.
So we received about $160,000 in that grant.